of this road, right, turn right.
Okay, so now I need to stay early again.
Okay, why is that?
Because of the parked cars.
Okay.
I need to make sure I can see them.
Mm-hmm. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so go ahead, then take second road on your left.
Somewhere left to the right.
So next road on your left, please. Go a little bit to the right, otherwise you're gonna go on the curb.
Okay, so I'm turning left. Okay.
Look how your position, you went really close. Okay, next left.
This way.
Yes, this one. It's only your assessment when you go next to the parked cars is weak. We come into the left and then we go ahead. How you gonna go from here?
Move to the
Tell
right.
me. If you tell me loud, then I can hear you.
Move to the right.
Yeah. And
And
then,
then straighten up a little.
okay,
And then move back to the left
okay,
at a rolling speed.
yeah, and then,
Straighten up a little bit again. And then I've got to move back to the right.
steer to my side because your car is moving to the left. Yeah, keep it straight. Okay, good. End of this road, right, please. Now you need to move to my side. Okay, good. Which way are you moving now?
To your side.
Okay, more to my side. It's fine, and now go ahead. End of this road, right, please. Look at the situation, how you gonna turn, tell me.
I'm gonna have to turn early, but that red car is also obstructing the view.
Yes.
So I'm gonna have to be creeping and making sure
Mm-hmm.
that there's no cars coming. But also making sure that I don't hit the curb.
Okay, and then we're gonna pull up to the left after this small car on the left here in middle. So now check in your left mirrors for your position. Yes, start okay. Okay, so just reflect on your driving now. How you feeling and how are you improving, or you got any mistakes or errors?
I am slowly getting there.
Okay. So where are you weak, in which area?
It's the parked cars assessment.
Park car, when you go near the car, so you don't know which way your car is moving. Otherwise, your turns are getting better. So today, because we mix the left turn and right turn, So you want to drive to your home today? Or you want to next session you want to keep improving on your right turn, then this depend on you.
Do you know what? I'm gonna challenge myself. I'm gonna drive home.
You want to drive home today?
I'm gonna drive home.
Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna give you this big challenge, and we'll go out from here. On the way, there's 2 roundabouts. So when we go on the roundabout, if we go ahead on the roundabout, which way we need signal, or which there's 2 lane inside the roundabout, one inner circle, one outer circle. So to go ahead, which lane we gonna be in?
Outer circle. To go ahead.
Yes, outer circle, and then when we signal.
After the first exit.
Yes, good, well done. So when we exiting the roundabout, are we checking our mirrors?
Yes.
Why is that?
Because we don't know what could be like. We don't know what's behind us or what's in front of us, and
Yeah.
we just need to be aware of
Okay.
the road.
Okay, let's get ready. Are we gonna move off? Okay. We got a big challenge today. So we're gonna move off from here. End of the road, right, please.
Actually, right now.
How you gonna move off from here? Because we are a little bit close with the front car.
We might have to reverse.
No, the
No?
drive is fine, but when you're steering to the other side, just steer slowly and assess the gap. Okay. Are you ready to go? Look at your gears first. Yeah. Hmm? More to the side. We don't want to go into the car. Good. So go ahead. End of the road, right, please. And we go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now go ahead and then end of the road, right turn, please.